Hello guys, welcome. This is Vivek. Today I'm going to show you how to fetch the latest share price from the internet. So I have a Excel, you can see, and here I have few companies. I want to fetch this value from here and I want to put the values here. Okay, so how can I do it from the site? So this is my site, as you can see, and I want to fetch the values this. If I put the Wipro, it should return me this. If I put the TCS, it should return me this. Okay, so how to get it? So let's start. So before that, I'll create a new project. So I'll give the name as get share price. Okay, so first I'll fetch a sequence, and here first we have to read the Excel. So for that I'll type Excel. I can use Excel application scope, and here I can define the Excel path. Okay, so after that you have to use the range. So for that I can use the read range, and here we have a sheet 1, so I'll keep it as it is, and it should be blank, null, and I'll assign the data table output as a Excel data table. Okay, so it's not created. I'll put again Excel data table. Okay, it's not creating. Okay, it's created now. So here we have a data table. Now I'll use the loop for each row. Okay, and here I can use the Excel data table, and this is my body. Okay, so here I'll create one counter as well, one more variable counter. You can use it as integer 32. Scope I'll make it as sequence, and default value I'll keep it as 1. Okay, so what I'll do, inside the for each body loop, I'll use the assign. I'll use counter is equal to counter plus 1. Okay, so now we are going to use the browser inside here. So for that I have to use the open browser. Open. So here I can give the path. So for that path I'll do one thing. I'll create a variable. So here I'll create one variable. I can give URL as a string. This I can give a sequence, and URL I can copy it from here and put it here. So but here if you see this TCS, we are going to make it dynamic. So what I'll do, so I'll do one thing, I'll create one more variable, that is a company code, and I can take it as a string. I'll keep it as sequence, and default value I can put it as a infi, but it will be changed. Okay, so I'll make it as infi. So this company code I am going to use here. Company code. Okay, so we are set, and now what we have to do here, so in for each we use the assign. The same way I can use one more assign, and here I can use company code is equal to row dot item, and this is the, if you see, it's a 0 1 2, so it's a 2, so I can put 2 dot to string. Okay, so here some error is there. Open browser, so here we have to provide the URL, so here I can provide the URL. Okay, so after that, okay, so now we have to, once you open the browser, then you have to attach the window. So attach browser here, and here you have to indicate which browser you want. So let me open the, so here I attach the browser. So here you can see now we are going to use the capture the text. So for that I'll use get visible text here, and I can choose this particular thing, and here you can see it's captured get visible text. So once you captured, you can see, so we have to see the output. In output I assign the one variable share price. You can see here this is a variable and a string, so I am going to capture this in a share price, a variable. After that, what I am going to do, I am just going to write this into the Excel. So for that I can use the Excel, and I can use the right cell. So I can use here, I'll take the sheet 1 because this is sheet 1, and this is the D column I am going to put, but it should be D2 3 4. So for that we use the counter. So what I'll do, I'll use the D plus counter. Okay, in value I can put the share price which we have captured from here. Okay, and after that I'll close the browser, so I can use close tab, can use. So here I can give the browser name. So here you can see the current browser I can give. Okay, so this is what, now I'm going to run it, whether it's working or not. So currently you can see in share price nothing is there, and it's safe. And now I'm going to run. So it's opening the NSE site, capturing the data, and again it's loop, and closed it. And now let me see in Excel, data is there, so you can see it's captured the data, and this is the same data which is captured from the NSE site. So this is how you can get the current share price from the NSE site in UiPath. I hope you like this video. If you really like, please click on the like button. Have a great day.